Hello everyone, welcome again. Today we are going to learn, sorry, not actually 13.7 but 13.8. Hello everyone, welcome again. Hello everyone, welcome again. Today we have to go ahead towards the question number 4 to 8 questions today we have to learn. This is exercise number 13.8 and up to third question. Yesterday we have seen and today we have to see. This is the question number 4. The diameter of moon, because yesterday as we have discussed, this is IMP question. Okay, this is IMP. So in your book, tick out this is IMP question. But before start this question, I would like to clear that I would like to confirm my voice and this screen both are clear or not, so that okay, yes, okay, so that I can go ahead. The diameter of moon is approximately the one fourth of the diameter of the earth. Then first of all we have to write its equation. In equation format we have to write. Then how we can write? Diameter of moon. So I will call it dm. Okay. Diameter of moon is one fourth of the diameter of earth. Then one fourth of the diameter of earth. I will call it de. Diameter of moon is one fourth of the diameter of earth, so that you can say dm is equal to de by 4. Okay, that is de by 4. What fraction of volume of earth is to volume of the moon? Then we have to find 1 minute. Yes, answer will come 1 by 64. You people have solved that. I'm happy to see this thing. Now, for other students who haven't solved this question, I'm solving for those students and who have already solved. You just see again. Otherwise, you can solve some upcoming questions. dm is equal to d by 4. So now we have to find the ratio of these both of the volume. So volume of earth. Okay, volume of earth 1 by 3 pi 4 by 3 pi r cube. Okay, volume of earth because volume of sphere. So here 4 by 3 pi r cube. So 4 by 3 pi, I will not put its value 22 by 7 because when we will take ratio, then automatically pi will be cancelled. Okay, so r cube. So r e I will write here because I am talking about here earth, volume of earth I am talking about. Okay, so ve also you can write. I will write now ve. Actually, this is the authentic form. Volume of earth is equal to 4 by 3 pi r e cube. But now r e is equal to de by 2 or not? You tell me. Radius of earth is equal to half of diameter of earth. So instead of re, now I will write de by 2 wall cube. Okay, let it called equation number 1. Simplification right now I'm not going to do. I will just put as it is. Okay, this is volume of earth. Now what about volume of moon? Okay, so volume of moon. So Vm I have written here. Volume of moon is equal to again 4 by 3 pi, but now R of m means radius of moon. It's cube. Okay, it's called R of m cube. See the pronunciation. You should know pronunciation also. 4 by 3 pi R m cube. Now again as it is 4 by 3 pi, but radius of moon is same like this. Radius of moon is equal to diameter of moon by 2. So now I will write diameter of moon by 2 and its cube. It is equation number 2. But we want here its ratio. Okay, what we want, volume of the earth is the volume of the moon, means here we want volume of earth to volume of moon. Okay, so this part I'm now not going to write because when you will take ratio, so this 4 by 3 and pi it will cancel, as well as this 2 will also cancel. Okay, so what it will come, dE by dm overall cube. See, so may actually 2 or 3 steps directly I have cut. If you know, do you understand how this directly d by dm whole cube is come in ratio? Because when you because that much space I don't have, so that directly that steps I have cut. Because when you take ratio, okay, ratio of equation number 2 to ratio of equation number 1 to 2, then 4 by 3 and pi will cut. So and denominator is also same, 2 and 2. So that denominator, because denominator's denominator will go in numerator and numerator's denominator will come in denominator. So again 2 and 2 will cut. So dE cube upon dm cube. So I have written it dE by dm overall cube. Okay, but now one meta. But now dE by dm, see here, if you see this ratio, see here on the pointer, dm is equal to 1 by 4 of dE. So if you simplify these terms, of 4 will multiply here and dm will come downside. It is like this, 4 will multiply here, so 4 dm is equal to dE, so that 4 is equal to dE by dm, means 4 means 4 gem 1 only, so dE by dm. So now I will write 4, I will write 4 gem 1 overall cube, and 4 cube is 16, 1 cube is 1 only. So this ratio is 16 gem 1, sorry, 64 gem 1. So this ratio is 64 gem 1. So 64 is to 1 is your answer. Why? Because volume of earth is the volume of the moon. So in numerator earth will come, and earth is obviously bigger, okay, and moon is smaller. So that bigger ratio will come upside. If you are confused how to do this, how what will come in numerator and what will come in denominator, how to know this, then basic so common sense you have to apply, because which one is bigger? Earth is bigger, so obviously in numerator bigger number will come. 64 is to 1. That is the answer. Its interpretation is that if you feel something in the moon and in the earth, for example, you just consider this both object as a just sphere. You just consider that both are hollow sphere with different kind of radius. Then 64th time of material you can feel in the moon, sorry, in the earth in compare of moon. If you are feeling, if you are able to feel 1 liter of water in the moon, then 64 liter of water you can feel in the earth. That is the interpretation. How many have completed this lecture, this question before me? Diviraj, I think he has given this answer. 64 gem 1. Diviraj, you got the same answer? No, you just match with behind pages. Because in numerator, earth will come in denominator, moon will come. You check that. Everybody match. 1 by 64 is given because 1 by 64. Yes, but see here, what fraction of the volume of the earth? Okay, volume of the earth is the volume of the moon is given. Yes, means here earth will come in denominator. Sorry. So this I'm not again going to write. See here, by mistake I have read wrong. What fraction of volume of the earth is the? See here, the what is given is the volume of the moon. So actually our logic is exactly correct, but the ratio I have taken wrong by mistake. It happens sometime because I have read the wrong pronunciation and all. So actually these things will come like this. This numerator will come denominator and numerator will come denominator. Denominator will go in numerator. Means all terms will reciprocal. It will become reciprocal. So answer will come 1 gem 64. But interpretation will not change. Huh? You can feel 64th time of material in compare of moon. Okay, clear? Hello. Is the before is the what will come, that will come in denominator. Here see, uh, I'm going to show you one trick, landmark. Okay, how you have to recognize volume of earth is the, okay, so volume of earth. So now is the before is the whatever is written, that you have to put in denominator. By mistake I understood you, we have to find ratio of volume of earth and volume of moon, but here and is, huh? ગુજરાતી તો તમને લોકોને ગળે જ નહીં ઉતરે. એનો એવો મતલબ થાય કે મૂનની સાપેક્ષે અર્થનો ગુણોત્તર શોધો, એવું એનું ગુજરાતી થાય. સાપેક્ષ મીન્સ ઇન કમ્પેર ઓફ. So actually synonyms of is the, so that you can understand in compare of. So here we have found uh, uh, volume of earth in compare of volume of moon. So in compare of, so volume of moon will come now in numerator, that moon is 1, then earth is 64. So the meaning of is the is in compare of. Okay. Hello, Sahil. But if I twist this question, huh? Instead of is the, if I write here, let me write 1 minute. If I write here, uh, from where I can do this? Google Meet I have updated, but I'm teaching from my laptop. So same feature will get in laptop also. Let me check. 1 minute. Huh? It is updated actually. See here and acha, turn on captions. This one. Hello. Yes. Okay. Okay. समझाई क्यों बताए ने 1 minute because I'm not on that screen. સમજાઈ ગયું બધાને આગળનો ક્વેશ્ચન જોઈએ. I ah got. If I will speak Gujarati, so this is not properly able to capture all the Gujarati words, and it's not able to capture. It's not able to translate in English. So that funny words are coming. See, if we speak proper Gujarati, then proper English will come. See here. Yes, it's really interesting. But as you are also on another screen and I'm also on another screen, so it will not work properly. I just actually wanted to tell you that if I twist this question, find ratio ratio of okay, find ratio of Earth and Moon. Then answer question is twisted. Now answer will come 64 Gemman because here I have written Earth and Moon. Okay, one more keyword is here. Here, first of all, they have discussed about Moon. So in numerator, Moon will come. Two keywords are there. First is about which object you are discussed. That will come in numerator. But if I twist the question, because here finally I have mentioned clearly, I have instructed you that what you have to find. So finally, this is the main landmark. Actually, what you have to find, because if I will write find ratio of Earth and Moon, then doesn't matter about which object first you are talking about. It doesn't matter. Okay. Now see, fifth question here. How many liter of milk can hemispherical bowl of diameter 10.5 centimeter hold? So now I will not solve this question. This is you have to solve because so easy question is this and this kind of so many questions we have solved. Yes? Okay, it's good. You have solved this because I'm not going to solve. Why? Because really this is such an easy question. Here diameter is given. So radius easily you can find from the diameter by 2, and from the radius easily you can find volume. And now you all know 1000 centimeter is equal to 1000 centimeter cube is equal to 1 liter. So that property you have to use and you have to get this answer. So this fifth question you have to solve. See, by today I have started revision part in 10th standard, and tomorrow is the last lecture of this chapter for us also. Day after tomorrow I will start revision. So yeah, I will complete one chapter on each day. So there are actually almost 9 working days, 8 to 9 working days, and we have 8 to 9 chapters also. So almost we'll cover all the data. Now you have to cover parallel with me. If our lecture is not there, na 1 minute. Today is tomorrow is not lecture. Okay, then day after tomorrow we'll complete this chapter, and the next day we'll start revision part. You don't be worried. We'll easily complete a full revision, and you will enjoy also one chapter. Yes. Let's see. I will try to conduct. I'm not sure because tomorrow 11th. Okay, 11th. Yes, yes. Okay, I will try. If tomorrow class will there, then I will inform you. Okay. 11:30. Nobody's class is there tomorrow. 11:40. Then we can conduct 11:45 to 12:30. Something like that. Otherwise 12:30, 12:45. We can conduct now like 11:45 to 12:30. Array, not 13. 12:30. Huh? 10 to 11. I will try 10 to 11. If tomorrow class will there, then I will inform you. Okay, I will post a link. If I'm not going to post a link, then don't ask me, sir, class is there or not. Okay, if class is there, then I will post a link. Now, let us go ahead. See, fifth question, as we have discussed, you have to solve, and the sixth one, this is hemispherical tank is given. Hemispherical tank is made of an iron sheet, 1 centimeter thick iron sheet is there. If inner radius is given 1 meter, then find the volume of the iron used to make the tank. We have to find iron to make the tank. Anybody have solved this question? Okay. Remaining students are not replying. Why you are just as behaving like spectators only? Okay, now here let me solve sixth question. Hemispherical tank is there. You can visualize what I want to say. So here figure is not required. Iron sheet which is 1 centimeter thick, and now if the inner radius is 1 meter, then find the volume of the iron used to make the tank. So it is like this. Now new radius you have to find. Radius, okay, new radius. 1 meter, 1 centimeter. 1 meter plus 1 centimeter. So 1.1 centimeter, 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. So 1 meter. Here you have to write 1 centimeter, 1.01 meter, because 1 centimeter is equal to 1 centimeter is equal to 0.01 meter. Why? Because 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So you have to divide by 100. So 1.0. So here 1.01 meter will come. Now, volume of sphere. Diviraj, what you have done here? New radius you got 1.01 meter. Okay. Mm. Yes, what you have done here? Yes, what you have done here? Which formula will come? Huh? Yes, hello. Okay, you turn off your mic. You turn off your mic. Now you suggest me what to do here because I want ideas from your side. Here actually two types of volume we have to find. We have to find. Yes, yes, same thing. I'm saying yes. Two types of volume here we have to find. First, we have to find outer volume, and then we will remove inner volume from the outer. Yes, Diviraj, I think so. Network problem is from your side. I think network problem is from your side. That I'm saying. Okay. Now I think so. Sohail has given that answer. Now see, maybe this fourth will not able to complete. Fourth slide. Seventh and eighth. Let me delete these things. Now see what to do. You have to find outer volume. So outer volume 4 by 3, not sorry 4 by 3 because this is hemisphere. Huh? Hemisphere, so 2 by 3 will come. Yes, 2 by 3 pi r cube. And inner volume again 2 by 3 pi r cube, but for outer let me call capital R and inner small r. So effective volume, okay. uh, Effective volume is equal to 2 by 3 pi r cube, means outer we will deduct inner 2 by 3 pi r cube. So 2 by 3 pi is common, it become easy for you. 2 by 3 pi is common, r cube minus r cube. Now 2 by 3 pi, see this is your r cube 1.01 cube. Okay, so that is complicated. Let me think what we can do. I'm trying to make it easy for you, but let's see what happen. Inner is already 1. So with inner we don't have any problem. 1.01 cube we can multiply, but I'm thinking if possible we can do something then. Have you multi? Yes, 101 by yes, that I know, 101 by 100, but that we have to write three times, 101 by 100, 1 minute. Huh? This is long term, so I'm going to write here, not here. જો આ જે ટર્મ છે હું અહીંથી સ્ટાર્ટ કરું છું બાય બ્લેક પેન વોટ આઈ એમ રાઇટિંગ નાઉ ધેટ યુ હેવ ટુ સી 2 by 3 pi as it is now. 101 is 1, 1.01 is 101 by 100 into again 101 by 100 into again 101 by 100 minus 1 cube is so easy, 1 only. Okay, so now these things we have to multiply 101 into 101 into 101. So 2 by 3 pi into, now that compulsory we have to multiply. Now we have no bar. Tell me multiplication of this number if anybody have done. Hmm. Yes, but again decimal point will come na. That is hard to multiply decimal points. This is the easiest thing. You have to multiply 101 three times. So nowhere will come decimal point, and now easily you can cut. Because 101 is not divisible by 7 also, that is the problem. Otherwise I can put 22 by 7, and as well as 101 is not divisible by 3 also. Okay, so once you have to multiply these typical numbers, so 10, 30, 31 will come. Okay, and if you will remove 10, 30, 31 minus 10 left, if you will remove, then 30,000 31 will remain. 2 by 3 into now 22 by 7 into 30,031 means 30,301 upon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See, this is really typical part, but we have no bar, so don't be bored, and we have to multiply these typical numbers. And now again it is not divisible by still 7, still it is not divisible by 3. Then you can cut 60. So 22 2s are 44, 7 3s are 21, into, if you cut, then 0.030301 will come. And if you multiply this 44 divided by 21, so finally 0.06. Why this kind of answer is come? Then find volume of iron used to make this tank, and this is in meter, so meter cube. This kind of answer is come 0.0634 meter cube. Huh? Yes, what? Huh? 0.06348. Yes, this is approx, but first three digit you tell me 0.063 or not. First three digit. Okay. This kind of questions generally cannot come in exam because really this is a very typical part of calculation. But you can write these numbers. Okay, 0.0634, because after decimal point, if you are writing four digit even, so that is also so correct. Okay, that is also. Ah. And see here, actually, there are so many tricks are there to multiply these kind of numbers, but we should not learn these tricks. See, I'm not talking about this number, but this kind of tricks previously, some of the tricks I have taught in my competitive exam classes. But then afterward, I have realized that we should not do these things. એનું reason છે why we should not learn this kind of tricks, because tricks are now that are limited. Means for example કે જો કોઈ ટ્રીક હોય ને તો એમાં એક ઘણા બધા restrictions હોય કે જો આ ટાઈપના નંબર હોય તો જ આ ટ્રીક લાગુ પડશે, એપ્લાય થશે, otherwise you cannot apply. And in practical life when we are going to solve this kind of questions, તો એવું જરૂરી નથી કે એ જે બાઉન્ડ્રી હતી બાઉન્ડ્રીમાં જ ત્યાં આપણે નંબર આવે. બરાબર, એમાં જેમ કે એવી કોઈ ટ્રીક હોય કે 101 હોય કે જો લાસ્ટ ડિજિટ 1 આવતો હોય અને જો 3 ડિજિટ નંબર હોય તો એનો ક્યુબ કરવા માટેની આવી ટ્રીક છે. But it is not compulsory every time last digit will come 1 only, 3 digits will come only. Now you just think 103 આવી ગયો તો then, so this is the reason I'm not going to teach you this kind of tricks. જ્યારે જરૂર હશે પેલી સ્ક્વેર રૂટ અને ક્યુબ રૂટ વાળી હતી તે યુનિવર્સલ હતી. ઓકે, so that I have teach you, means I have taught you, but these all are not required. Even I also forgot. મને આવડતી હતી 101 નો ક્યુબ, પણ હવે જરૂર નથી પડતી, એ ભૂલાઈ ગઈ. એનાથી તો ઈઝી છે કે તમે ક્યુબ કરી નાખો. Otherwise that also you can do now like this, a plus b whole cube. Okay, so a is now 100 plus b is 1, and a plus b whole cube formula you can apply. Okay, so this also you people can do. But finally our answer is come, so now doesn't matter, and this kind of question cannot be asked in exam. One more thing, uh, so many portion 30 percentage government have removed. So actually I'm solving all questions because I just want to teach you, but you don't have to learn all the questions. Okay, I have share with you now which 30 percentage of part is removed in your group. I have share, I think so. Yes or no, tell me. For example, see here in 13.8 right now, which is going on 13.8, question number 6 to 10 are removed. See, so 6 means this question is already removed. 7, 8, and 9, 10, which tomorrow we have to learn. So that is already removed. So now actually I don't think that you should solve this question, this 6th one, 7th and 8th one. If you just want to learn for your knowledge related purpose, then you can solve, otherwise that is not required. And that file I have already shared you, so many questions which are removed, that you can check, that you can see. So don't do that much practice on that kind of question, but in compulsory in fair book you have to write, that is compulsory. In fair book what I teach you, if I'm skipping some questions, so you can skip. Otherwise what I'm taking, which questions I'm going to take, if which I'm taking, that all you have to write, okay, in your fair book. So now see what I'm thinking, that if these questions are removed, and if as you can see our exam is in front of us, So this 7, 8 question and 9, 10th, which ninth and 10th tomorrow I'm thinking to start. Now it is not required to take. By tomorrow, tomorrow is actually off. Then otherwise tomorrow we can start revision. Otherwise the next day we can start revision. What do you say? Ninth and 10th question I don't think to teach. Seventh is in homework. You want to skip, then you can skip because that is already removed. Eighth, I was thinking to teach, but now it is not required, I think. And ninth and 10th, both are not required. Still, if you want to learn, then I don't have any problem to teach. But now I think we should focus on our revision part. What you say? Okay, then do one thing. Now, today, this chapter is over. Okay, and by tomorrow, otherwise, by the day after tomorrow, we'll start our revision. Okay. Hmm. That is optional. Any optional? 1 minute. 13.9 is optional or not? Let me check. I don't know. Optional? 1 minute. That is optional. That we will not learn. That we will not complete. Okay, that is optional. Okay, then now this is enough for today, and it's recorded copy. After a few hours, you will get. Yesterday, I hope you have seen recorded copy and PDF also. Do you like that? Okay. Okay, then now you may leave. Thank you. Ma.